Bluecoat Proxy Online Training. Introduction to Bluecoat Proxy. Bluecoat Proxy, now known as Symantec Secure Web Gateway, is a comprehensive solution designed to secure web traffic and provide advanced threat protection for enterprises. It functions as an intermediary for requests from clients seeking resources from servers, providing a range of security and performance-enhancing features. Here's an overview. Key features and capabilities. Web security and filtering. URL filtering categorizes websites and enforces policies to block access to harmful or inappropriate content. Malware protection scans and blocks malicious downloads, preventing malware and other threats from reaching users' devices. Content inspection inspects web content for potential threats, including encrypted traffic via SSL/TLS inspection. Advanced threat protection. Sandboxing analyzes unknown files and URLs in a controlled environment to detect new or evasive threats. Behavioral analysis monitors and evaluates the behavior of web traffic to identify suspicious activities and potential threats. Data loss prevention (DLP). Content filtering monitors and controls the movement of sensitive data across the network to prevent data breaches. Policy enforcement implements policies to ensure compliance with data protection regulations and prevent unauthorized data transfers. Proxy caching and performance optimization. Caching stores frequently accessed web content locally to reduce bandwidth usage and improve response times. Bandwidth management prioritizes critical web traffic and manages bandwidth to optimize network performance. Access control and authentication. User authentication integrates with existing authentication systems, example LDAP, Active Directory, to control user access to web resources. Granular policies applies user-specific policies based on identity, group membership, or other attributes. Reporting and analytics. Real-time monitoring provides real-time visibility into web traffic and security events. Comprehensive reporting generates detailed reports on web usage, security incidents, and policy compliance. Deployment models. On-premises appliance deployed within the organization's network to provide local control and management of web security. Cloud-based service offers the flexibility of a cloud deployment, reducing the need for on-site hardware and providing scalability. Hybrid deployment combines on-premises and cloud-based solutions to provide a balanced approach to web security, suitable for distributed environments. Benefits. Enhanced security protects against a wide range of web-based threats, including malware, phishing, and data breaches. Improved compliance helps organizations comply with regulatory requirements by enforcing data protection policies and generating compliance reports. Better performance optimizes web traffic to improve user experience and reduce the load on network resources. Scalability adapts to the growing needs of the organization, whether through additional hardware, cloud services, or a hybrid approach. Use cases. Enterprise security. Large organizations use Bluecoat Proxy to secure web traffic, protect sensitive data, and ensure compliance with corporate and regulatory policies. Key features and capabilities of Blue Coat Proxy. Blue Coat Proxy, now part of Symantec, acquired by Broadcom, offers robust features and capabilities for web security, data protection, and network optimization. Here are some key features. Web security. Web filtering and categorization blocks access to malicious websites and inappropriate content using an extensive URL database. Advanced threat protection detects and blocks advanced threats, including malware and phishing attempts. SSL TLS inspection decrypts and inspects encrypted traffic to ensure comprehensive security. Content control filters web content based on categories, keywords, and file types. Data protection. Data loss prevention DLP prevents sensitive data from leaving the organization by monitoring and controlling outbound traffic. User authentication and access control enforces policies based on user identity, ensuring only authorized access to resources. Cloud security integration integrates with cloud security solutions to extend protection to cloud applications and services. Network optimization. Caching and acceleration reduces bandwidth usage and accelerates content delivery by caching frequently accessed content. Bandwidth management controls and prioritizes bandwidth usage to ensure critical applications receive the necessary resources. WAN optimization enhances performance for remote and branch offices by optimizing traffic over the WAN. Management and reporting. Centralized management provides a centralized management console for easy configuration and monitoring of multiple proxies. Comprehensive reporting generates detailed reports on web usage, security incidents, and policy compliance. Real-time monitoring monitors traffic and security events in real time to quickly identify and respond to threats. Integration and compatibility. Seamless integration integrates with existing security infrastructure, such as firewalls and CM systems, for a unified security posture. Flexible deployment options available as hardware appliances, virtual appliances, and cloud-based solutions to fit various deployment needs. API support provides APIs for custom integrations and automation. Additional features. User and group policies allows granular policy enforcement based on user roles and groups. Build and mobile security extends security policies to mobile devices and build environments. Support for IPv6 ensures compatibility with the latest Internet protocols for future-proofing network security. Enhancing network security with Blue Coat Proxy. Enhancing network security with Blue Coat Proxy, now part of Symantec and often referred to as Symantec Proxy SG or Blue Coat Proxy SG, involves several key strategies and features that can help protect your organization's network infrastructure. Here's a comprehensive overview. Key features and strategies for enhancing network security with Blue Coat Proxy. Web filtering and content control. URL filtering categorizes and controls access to websites based on their content, reducing the risk of accessing malicious or inappropriate sites. Content filtering inspects web content to block specific types of data, such as adult content, malware, or phishing sites. Advanced threat protection. Malware scanning integrates with leading anti-malware engines to scan web traffic for viruses, spyware, and other malicious software. Sandboxing analyzes suspicious files in a controlled environment to detect and prevent zero-day attacks. SSL inspection. Decrypting SSL traffic inspects encrypted traffic to identify hidden threats while maintaining data privacy and compliance. Re-encryption ensures that decrypted traffic is re-encrypted before being sent to its destination, maintaining end-to-end security. Data loss prevention (DLP). Content scanning monitors outbound traffic for sensitive information, preventing unauthorized data transfers and ensuring compliance with data protection regulations. Policy enforcement implements DLP policies to block or quarantine data that violates security policies. User authentication and access control. User authentication integrates with directory services such as Active Directory to enforce user-based policies and control access to web resources. Role-based access control defines and enforces access policies based on user roles and group memberships. Caching and bandwidth optimization. Caching reduces bandwidth usage and improves response times by storing frequently accessed web content. Bandwidth management prioritizes critical applications and restricts non-essential traffic to optimize network performance. Reporting and analytics. Detailed logs and reports provides comprehensive logging and reporting capabilities to monitor web traffic and identify security incidents. Real-time monitoring offers real-time visibility into web traffic, enabling quick response to potential threats. Integration with security ecosystem. CM integration connects with security information and event management (CM) systems to provide centralized monitoring and alerting. Endpoint protection integration works with endpoint security solutions to ensure comprehensive protection across the network. Application control. Application visibility identifies and controls applications running over the network, helping to prevent unauthorized or risky applications from being used. Granular policy enforcement allows for fine-grained control over application usage based on user, group, or device. Best practices for deploying Blue Coat Proxy. Comprehensive policy development. Develop and implement comprehensive security policies that cover URL filtering, content filtering, SSL inspection, and DLP. Regularly review and update policies to adapt to evolving threats. Regular updates and patch management. Keep the Blue Coat Proxy software up to date with the latest patches and updates to ensure protection against newly discovered vulnerabilities. Benefits of implementing Blue Coat Proxy. Implementing Blue Coat Proxy, now part of Broadcom's Symantec portfolio, offers several benefits for organizations looking to enhance their network security and improve internet performance. Here are some key benefits. 1. Enhanced security. Threat protection. Blue Coat Proxy provides robust protection against malware, phishing attacks, and other web-based threats by inspecting web traffic and blocking malicious content. Data loss prevention. DLP, it helps prevent sensitive data from leaving the organization by monitoring and controlling outbound traffic. SSL inspection. The proxy can decrypt SSL traffic to inspect for threats hidden within encrypted data streams, ensuring comprehensive security. 2. Improved network performance. Caching. Blue Coat proxy caches frequently accessed web content, reducing latency and improving access speed for users. Bandwidth management. It optimizes bandwidth usage by controlling and prioritizing traffic, which is particularly useful for organizations with limited bandwidth resources. 3. User activity monitoring and reporting. Detailed logging. The proxy provides detailed logs of user activity, which can be used for auditing, compliance, and troubleshooting purposes. Comprehensive reporting. Administrators can generate reports on web usage, security incidents, and performance metrics to gain insights into network activity. 4. Content filtering and control. URL filtering. Blue Coat proxy enables organizations to block access to inappropriate or non-business related websites, enhancing productivity and enforcing acceptable use policies. Custom policies. Administrators can create custom policies to control access based on user, group, time of day, and other criteria. 5. Improved compliance. Regulatory compliance. The proxy helps organizations meet regulatory requirements by ensuring that web traffic is monitored, controlled, and logged according to industry standards. Policy enforcement. It ensures consistent enforcement of security and usage policies across the organization. 6. Scalability and flexibility. Scalable architecture. Blue Coat proxy can scale to meet the needs of growing organizations, supporting a large number of users and high traffic volumes. Deployment options. It offers flexible deployment options, including on-premises, cloud, and hybrid models, to suit different organizational requirements. 7. Integration with other security solutions. Broadcom Symantec Suite. The proxy integrates seamlessly with other Broadcom Symantec security products, providing a comprehensive security framework. Third-party integration. It can also integrate with third-party security solutions to enhance overall security posture. 8. User authentication and access control. Single sign-on. SSO supports SSO to simplify user authentication and improve user experience. Granular access control provides granular control over who can access what resources based on user identity and role. 9. Cost savings. Reduced bandwidth costs. By optimizing bandwidth usage and caching content, organizations can reduce their overall bandwidth costs. Lower infrastructure costs. With improved network performance and reduced need for additional bandwidth, infrastructure costs can be lowered. What is Blue Coat proxy and how does it work? Blue Coat proxy, now known as Symantec Proxy SG following Symantec's acquisition of Blue Coat Systems, is an advanced web security appliance designed to enhance internet security and performance for enterprises. It operates as a forward proxy, which means it sits between a user's device and the internet, intercepting and managing web traffic. How it works. Traffic interception. When a user tries to access a website, their request is sent to the Blue Coat proxy instead of directly reaching the internet. The proxy then forwards this request to the intended web server. Content filtering. The proxy examines the content of web requests and responses. It can filter out unwanted or harmful content based on predefined policies, such as blocking access to certain websites, filtering out malware, or preventing access to inappropriate content. Caching. The proxy can cache frequently accessed web content. When multiple users request the same content, the proxy serves it from the cache instead of retrieving it from the web server, thus improving load times and reducing bandwidth usage. Security enforcement. The proxy inspects web traffic for potential security threats, such as malware, phishing attempts, or unauthorized data exfiltration. It can block malicious content and enforce security policies to protect the network. User authentication and access control. The proxy can authenticate users and enforce access control policies based on user identity, group membership, or other attributes. This ensures that only authorized users can access certain web resources. SSL interception. The proxy can intercept and decrypt SSL TLS traffic to inspect encrypted web traffic for threats. This process involves the proxy establishing secure connections with both the client and the web server, allowing it to inspect the contents of the encrypted traffic. Logging and reporting. The proxy logs web activity, providing detailed reports and analytics on web usage. This helps organizations monitor user behavior, detect anomalies, and ensure compliance with corporate policies. Key features. Advanced threat protection. Protection against malware, phishing, and other web-based threats. Data loss prevention. Policies to prevent sensitive data from being sent out of the network. Application control. Granular control over web applications, including blocking or allowing specific applications. User and group-based policies. Customizable policies based on user identity, group membership, or other attributes. Bandwidth management. Prioritization and control of bandwidth usage to ensure critical applications receive the necessary resources. Detailed analytics and reporting. Comprehensive reporting tools to analyze web usage and security incidents. What are the best practices for deploying Bluecoat Proxy? Deploying Bluecoat Proxy, now known as Semantic Proxy SG, effectively involves several best practices to ensure optimal performance, security, and manageability. Here are some key best practices for deploying Bluecoat Proxy. 1. Planning and design. Assess requirements. Understand your organization's requirements for web security, content filtering, and performance. Network architecture. Design the deployment to fit seamlessly into your network architecture. Consider factors like placement, inline, transparent, or explicit proxy, redundancy, and high availability. Scalability. Plan for future growth in user count and traffic volume. 2. Initial configuration. Basic setup. Perform initial setup, including IP address assignment, network settings, and administrative access configuration. Security settings. Change default passwords and configure role-based access controls to secure administrative access. Software updates. Ensure the proxy software and firmware are up to date with the latest patches and updates. 3. Network integration. DNS configuration. Ensure correct DNS settings to allow the proxy to resolve web addresses efficiently. Routing and NAT. Configure routing and network address translation (NAT) as needed to integrate the proxy with your network. 4. Policy configuration. Content filtering. Define and implement content filtering policies to block inappropriate or malicious websites. Access controls. Create access control policies to regulate user access to the Internet based on factors such as time of day, user group, and destination. SSL interception. Configure SSL interception policies to inspect encrypted traffic for threats while balancing privacy and performance considerations. 5. Performance optimization. Caching. Enable and configure caching to improve performance by storing frequently accessed content locally. Bandwidth management. Implement bandwidth management policies to prioritize critical traffic and prevent bandwidth hogging. Load balancing. Use load balancing techniques to distribute traffic across multiple proxies if applicable. 6. Security enhancements. Threat protection. Integrate with threat intelligence and advanced threat protection services to enhance security. Malware scanning. Enable antivirus and anti-malware scanning on the proxy to detect and block malicious content. Secure administration. Use secure protocols, example HTTPS, SSH, for administrative access to the proxy. 7. Monitoring and logging. Logging. Enable detailed logging of web traffic and administrative actions. Configure log retention policies as required. Monitoring. Set up monitoring tools and alerts to track the health, performance, and security status of the proxy. Reporting. Generate regular reports on web usage, security incidents, and policy violations to maintain oversight. 8. Maintenance and updates. Regular updates. Keep the proxy software updated with the latest patches and firmware updates. Backup and recovery. Implement regular backup procedures for configuration settings and policies. Test recovery processes periodically. Health checks. Conduct routine health checks and performance audits to identify and address potential issues proactively. How does Blue Coat Proxy help in threat detection and prevention? Blue Coat Proxy, now part of Symantec's security suite, Symantec Proxy SG, provides robust capabilities for threat detection and prevention through several key features and functionalities. 1. Web traffic inspection and filtering. Content filtering. Blue Coat Proxy inspects web traffic in real time, blocking access to malicious websites and content based on predefined policies and categories. SSL inspection. The proxy decrypts SSL traffic to inspect encrypted web traffic for hidden threats, ensuring malicious content is not bypassed through encryption. 2. Advanced threat protection. Malware detection. The proxy uses signature-based detection and heuristic analysis to identify and block malware before it reaches the endpoint. Behavioral analysis. By analyzing web traffic behavior, the proxy can detect anomalies that may indicate a threat, such as unusual data transfers or atypical user behavior. 3. Integration with threat intelligence. Global threat intelligence. Blue Coat Proxy leverages threat intelligence feeds to stay updated on the latest threat vectors and malicious IP addresses, providing real-time protection against new and emerging threats. Sandboxing. Suspicious files can be sent to a sandbox environment for deeper analysis, identifying zero-day threats and advanced persistent threats, APTs. 4. Policy enforcement and user controls. Access controls. The proxy enforces access controls based on user identity, device, location, and time, reducing the risk of unauthorized access and data breaches. Data loss prevention. DLP integrated DLP capabilities help prevent sensitive data from being transmitted outside the organization, protecting against data exfiltration. 5. URL filtering and categorization. URL categorization. Blue Coat Proxy categorizes URLs into different risk levels, blocking access to high-risk sites and allowing access to known safe sites, minimizing the attack surface. Custom URL filtering. Organizations can create custom URL filtering policies to meet specific security requirements, ensuring tailored protection. 6. User and application visibility. User identification. The proxy provides visibility into user activity, helping to identify potentially risky behavior and ensuring that security policies are enforced at the user level. Application control. By recognizing and controlling web applications, Blue Coat Proxy can prevent the use of unauthorized applications that may pose security risks. 7. Logging and reporting. Detailed logs. The proxy generates detailed logs of web traffic, which can be used for forensic analysis, compliance reporting, and identifying security incidents. Comprehensive reporting. Built-in reporting tools provide insights into web usage patterns, threat activity, and policy enforcement, helping organizations to monitor and improve their security posture. 8. Real-time threat intelligence sharing. Collaboration with other security solutions. The proxy can share threat intelligence with other security solutions within the organization, such as firewalls, CM systems, and endpoint protection platforms, creating a unified defense strategy. What are the different deployment options for Blue Coat Proxy? Blue Coat Proxy, now part of Symantec, Broadcom, offers several deployment options to suit different organizational needs. Here are the main deployment options for Blue Coat Proxy. On-premises deployment. Hardware appliances. Blue Coat Proxy can be deployed as physical hardware appliances within an organization's data center. This option is suitable for organizations that prefer to manage their own infrastructure. Virtual appliances. These are virtual machines that can be deployed on hypervisors like VMware or Hyper-V. This option allows organizations to leverage their existing virtualized environments and provides flexibility in scaling resources. Cloud deployment. Public cloud. Blue Coat Proxy can be deployed in public cloud environments such as AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud. This deployment option is ideal for organizations looking to extend their proxy services into the cloud or adopt a cloud-first strategy. Private cloud. For organizations with private cloud infrastructures, Blue Coat Proxy can be deployed within a private cloud environment. This ensures that the proxy solution remains within the organization's controlled environment while taking advantage of cloud-like scalability. Hybrid deployment. On-premises with cloud integration. This approach combines on-premises and cloud-based deployments, allowing organizations to use Blue Coat proxy appliances on-premises while integrating with cloud services for additional scalability or redundancy. Cloud with on-premises integration. In this setup, the primary proxy services are hosted in the cloud, but there is integration with on-premises systems for certain functionalities or data handling. Managed services. Hosted by service providers, some service providers offer Blue Coat proxy as part of their managed services. This can include proxy services, security management, and support, allowing organizations to offload management responsibilities to the service provider. Why choose ProExcellency for Blue Coat proxy online training? Choosing ProExcellency for Blue Coat proxy online training can be advantageous for several reasons. Expert trainers. ProExcellency typically offers training from experienced professionals who have deep knowledge of Blue Coat proxy and related technologies. Comprehensive curriculum. Their courses are designed to cover all essential aspects of Blue Coat proxy, including configuration, management, and troubleshooting. Flexible learning options. Being an online training provider, ProExcellency often provides flexible schedules that can accommodate various time zones and personal schedules. Hands-on experience. Many of their programs include practical labs and real-world scenarios to help learners gain hands-on experience. Support and resources. They usually offer additional resources, such as study materials and post-training support, to reinforce learning and assist with any issues. Certification preparation. ProExcellency's training often prepares participants for relevant certifications, which can be valuable for career advancement. Positive reviews. They often have positive feedback from past students, indicating a strong reputation for delivering quality training. Thank you.